We are regenerating the land, so we're removing all the weeds off our land here, South West Rocks.
I feel happy that I'm working on country and doing something good for the community.
The goal is for our land to be traditional. So we're going to get rid of all the introduced weeds that was brought over here, overseas. We're going to get it back to natural land.
So the bush regenerations come from the Marine Estates Initiative 4 programs, and there's multitudes of different programs, but the program we're doing here today is about bringing community together, get all the training skills that they need to take on further contracts with other government agencies in the future.
Well, I was asked to come along and support the guys in their work and train them in some plant identification, and that included native plants and how to manage the different weeds.
Oh, it was pretty full on when we first started. There was a lot of growth, and I thought to myself, how are we going to go about this? But a couple of weeks down the track, it's looking pretty good, as you can see if you look around.
The majority of the team is local Indigenous people from the rocks.
This project is pretty unique, and as far as I know, this is the first instance that this approach has been tried, getting people on the ground and then following it up with training and mentorship, as well as at the end of the day that they'll actually be employers themselves.
Also, we have one of our aunties, that Auntie Robin, who's a part of the group, and we like to encourage more of the women to be involved in taking care of country, and she has set a really great example.
Yeah, well, I didn't think I'd be working again, getting older, and I didn't think I'd be in a job doing anything. So it's good, yeah.
This is Kempsey Local Aboriginal Land Council land. We pay a lot of bills to a lot of professional people, and not many of them are Aboriginal people.
It's important that we build the capacity within communities so that in future projects the community have the capacity to run their own enterprise protecting Aboriginal cultural values within the Marine Estate.
We started off 5 weeks ago, doing 3 days a week training. We have a great supervisor in Costa de la Mojalis, and he's taught us everything. So if we have a rainy day, we'll go and sit uptown, do bookwork, go through pages and pages of weeds.
The ideal would be to form a team of bush regenerators to manage their own lands, as well as contracting to people like national parks, councils, private enterprise.
We know what needs to be done, we get through the day, and we all go home safe.
Yeah, no, it's good. We've got a good camaraderie around here. We all have a laugh.
Yeah, hopefully we all get a job out of it.
It's our country and we feel proud of it, yeah.